Hi there, it's Claire Paris with Paris Group Realty LLC in Portland, Oregon. And today on our Ask an Expert series, we are happy to have PJ with Clever Duck Inspections answering some questions for us. So PJ, will you tell me, what is a home inspection?
A home inspection is a visual examination of everything we can find out about a house. We have the limitation of the 2 to 4 hour time period that we can do that in. So we're going to look at every component of the house that we can. The roof, the crawl space or basement, the plumbing, electrical, all of the appliances attached to the house. And also we'll use specialized tools like thermal cameras, moisture meters, drones. I've got a little crawl space robot I can send under the house. But we're not allowed to take things apart. We can't move insulation. We can't disassemble stuff. So we're not able to get into the walls. But we have tools that we can use to find out as much as we can in that period of time.
Have you ever had someone take apart a wall based on something you found?
Sometimes we'll find things that are indications of things going on inside the walls. So we'll see a strange indication on a moisture meter or a thermal camera. We'll see something on the siding that makes it look like something's going on underneath it. And when that happens, we'll recommend further evaluation from a siding professional or a contractor that can look more in depth at what's going on.
So you're kind of like a detective who's sleuthing clues out.
Yeah, that's a lot what it's like. We'll see, I'll see if I see a little brown spot on the ceiling, I'm going to take out my thermal camera and look at that brown spot. I'm going to go upstairs and run the water around that area to see if I can make that brown spot, turn up on the thermal camera if it's a leak. I'll climb up on the ladder. I'll put my moisture meter on the little brown spot and see if it's coming from water. And I'll always indicate it in the report and say, hey, it's dry or it's wet. And if it is dry, this is maybe something to keep an eye on, because if it's coming from condensation happening on a nail in the roof, maybe it's dripping onto the ceiling there. Maybe there's something going on with, one small thing in the roof decking that you can fix and keep the brown spot from getting bigger. Or maybe it's an indication of a larger problem. So yeah, we do a lot of diagnosis and a lot of sleuthing to figure out what's going on.
Thanks so much for tuning in to our Ask an Expert series. As always, I really appreciate you, PJ, joining us. If you want to get a hold of PJ, look below. All their contact info is there. And check us out on the next video. We've got some more coming your way. See you soon.